All couplings de-energized, double-checked. Verify on the system. We are clear for the next phase. The automated checks on the panel are complete. Process A is verified.
Good. The old components are being routed to process B now.
The end face looks clean.
All right, insert it into port 4. Check the overhead panel reach. Marker synchronization is stable.
Confirmed. Display readability is excellent from this angle.
The hydraulic actuators lock the Y-9 fuselage into the rig. This vibration testing is crucial for the modernized cockpit.
Functional test sequence active. Reviewing engine parameters. Test successful. Process a critical success point confirmed.
All measurements logged and verified. Process A complete.
Confirmed alignment on section 4.
Process A is now fully completed and packaged. The bay is clear, ensuring a seamless transition before Process B begins.
Team A signing off on cockpit modernization. Salvage zone is clear.
Acknowledged. Team B assumes control of the component salvage operations.
The final piece of specialized tooling, the custom MFD jig, is wheeled away, ensuring complete clearance for Process B.
Pressure cycling complete. All gauges holding steady within parameters.
Confirmed. The refurbished units passed the stress test.
The robotic arm carefully wraps the refurbished analog gauge in anti-static bubble wrap and foam, ensuring protection against impact and electrical damage.
The precision label printer rapidly generates and affixes a detailed product label, including the refurbishment batch and simulator-grade usage.
Ensuring protection during high-speed transport, the system confirms the integrity of the anti-static wrapping. The clarity of the refurbished gauge is evident. Here in Process B, salvaged Harbin Y-9 materials are repurposed, demonstrating the successful mass production of critical secondary outputs. With the finalized Process B product secured, the Harbin Y-9 departs the facility, initiating the critical distribution phase.
The Harbin Y-9 is on schedule. ETA remains 1430 CST. Advise the simulator center to prepare for receipt.
Check the alignment on this one. It's product B, so tolerances are tight.
Looks good. Securing the bezel now.
Confirming the hydraulic reading on auxiliary gauge 3.
Acknowledged. Throttle response is nominal.
These are the refurbished analog instruments from the Harbin Y-9 program. Note the precision on this altitude indicator, which is now certified as Product B.
As you can see, the refurbished gauges were spot on. They tracked the simulation perfectly then. Yeah.
Absolutely crucial for the training outcome.
To ensure longevity in high-traffic environments, a protective anti-static solution is carefully applied to the refurbished analog instruments.